Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Google Play services for AR required error. Unable to start experience, please install or update Google Play services for AR and then relaunch the experience. So if you are getting this error message, then here follow the steps. So open Chrome. Now here search for Google Play services for AR and search for it. Then click on install button. Now if you see any update for the Google Play services for AR over here, then kindly update it. Then go back, then in Google search for Google Play services and search for it, and then click on Google Play services install button, and if you see update option over here, then kindly update it. Wait for the update to complete, and after the update has been completed, then you can check Google Play services for AR required error is fixed or not. So I hope this will work for you. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.